Welcome to the MAXVAC MV1100. It's perfect for cleaning large spaces such as warehouses, factories, airports, shopping centres and more. This battery-powered sweeper can be used both indoors and outdoors to tackle any cleaning tasks on your site, capturing everything from litter to fine dust. And with H13 HEPA filtration, this innovative sweeper prevents settled dust from becoming airborne and harmful again, which is especially useful for dangerous dust such as silica. With an adjustable mouth control, you are able to pick up waste of all sizes. The MV1100 features 60 litres of litter storage to save you making multiple trips to empty it while in use. With mechanical traction, easy to steer, and with a very tight turning radius, you can navigate even the tightest spaces. It glides through the cleanup operation, leaving no dust particle behind uncollected. Boasting an average of 7 hours battery life and able to cover a staggering 3,700 square meters per hour, you'll have more than enough time to thoroughly clean even the largest buildings from a single charge. The MAXVAC MV1100 is not just a vacuum sweeper, it's your key to a cleaner, healthier and more efficient construction site maintenance.